Welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a stunning, absolutely love this car, guys. 1959 Chevrolet Impala. Gorgeous car, guys. Buddy of mine down in Tennessee is the one who found this car for me. It's finished in Roman red. It's got all new, the tri-tone red interior. Car's sitting on air ride, and it is wicked bad. Body and paint were done 7-8 years ago. Everything else has got 61 miles on it. But the car was painted in the chrome and stuff. The outside of the car was done about 7 or 8 years ago. Slick car. Again, it's got 4-corner air ride suspension on it. It's got 20-inch Billet Specialty wheels. It's got radial red lines all the way around it. Just a wicked cool car, man. Fun car to drive. We pull this thing out front, man, it gets people nuts. I actually brought this car home Sunday. We were down there in Tennessee, and I brought it back in my hauler. And man, people went crazy. I mean, everybody thumbs up and just going nuts for this car. And this car is super cool, man. Not a whole lot to nitpick on it. Some of these little pieces you can see, you can kind of pick at on them. But paint super slick. Again, a couple little blemishes as you walk around it on the chrome and some of the stainless. Really nice car. Really nice car, man. Just slick. Love this body style. These cars are just, they're pieces of art, man. It's got electric wipers on it. They work. Pretty car right there. It's got the dual antenna. Like I say, these cars are just works of art, man. Look at that rear. How cool is that, man? Again, same thing, couple little blemishes on it. Hey, how about this? It's got tailpipes on it, guys, and it's got air ride. You can drop this thing all the way. The exhaust is tucked up nice, so it doesn't crunch the exhaust when it drops. Air ride guys will know what I'm talking about there. Again, 20-inch billets all the way around it. Wilwood 4-wheel disc brakes. Car's all the way down right now. It's one touch. Goes to ride height. Or actually, I should say you two touch. You push the button twice and it goes right to ride height, or drops all the way down. Original running gear, just redone. 283 cubic inch engine, stock automatic transmission. You can see it's got Edelbrock 4-barrel polished aluminum intake. They have ceramic coated the ram's horn exhaust manifolds. All new power steering. It's got tubular control arms on the front. It's got 4-wheel power Wilwood disc brakes with slotted and drilled rotors. Cool set of Edelbrock finned aluminum valve covers. Stock shroud and everything underneath here. It's got I think I said that. It's got electric wipers. They work. Tell me that car's not wicked bad right there. It's just a little dust on the glass. Dual chrome mirrors. You can see how nice this stuff is. The A-pillar chrome has definitely been replaced. It's got the nail guards on it. All new interior. I've got the matching floor mats coming. New carpet, new sill plates. Seats are all redone. It's got a tilt column with a retro style wheel. It's got a Dakota VHX gauge cluster in it. There's your air ride remote there. It's got the stock AM radio. It's got the, that doesn't work. It's got the tissue dispenser in it. I don't think the blower motor was working either, guys. Again, spent a lot of money on the dual exhaust. It's tucked up so that the air ride doesn't hit it. Stock rear end, no big gear, anything like that. Definitely something you can cruise. Stock factory jack with the spare in it. There's your pump all up there. Big old trunk, sleeps 5. Wicked cool. Like you say, you drive stuff like this, man, it just gets attention. People go crazy. That's the wax there, guys. Cool car right there. Seats are super nice. Dash is clean, it's nice. Same thing, those are new. Hold on 1 second. Go ahead and hit your air ride. So it's just kind of a one touch, and it brings it up to ride height. Automatically does it. No big cam or anything like that. Car runs good, hits the road real good. Gauges light up red. That's not easy to see there. You can see it's got 61 miles. All the gauges works, holding good oil pressure. Those taillights, how cool is that, man? That is a cool car. Radio doesn't work. Should be that, pull that out of there, that air lift. Right, it's just, and like I say, it's got, you push twice in the center for the preset ride, all the way down the button, all the way at the bottom, double tap, it drops down, and then all the way up would be the top button, just tap it twice and it raises all the way up. Just in case, you know, you needed it to be, you know, higher or something. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time we post a new video, guys. Great way to keep in touch with us.
great day, guys.